Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Qalb Compass, where we navigate life through the Quran. These are the last 10 nights of Ramadan, the most precious nights of the entire year. And tonight is night 24. Imagine standing before a door. You've been here before, maybe many times, and every time you hesitated. Every time you turned away. But tonight, something feels different. Tonight, you notice something you've never seen before. Maybe you're watching this and your heart feels heavy. Maybe the first 20 days didn't go as planned. Missed prayers, bad habits, a heart that feels distant. You look at others and think they have it together. They're closer to Allah. But me? The shaitan whispers, you're too far gone. Don't bother. But then you open the Quran and Allah, the Lord of the worlds, speaks directly to you. He says in Surah Az-Zumar, verse 53. Read that again, slowly. O my servants, not O the righteous ones, not O those who never sin. O my servants, that means you, that means me. And what does he say? Do not despair of the mercy of Allah. Why? Because despair is from shaitan, hope is from Allah, and then the most beautiful words indeed. Allah forgives all sins, all of them. The big ones, the small ones, the ones you're ashamed to even mention, the ones you committed in secret, the ones you've repeated 100 times, all of them. Remember the door? Here's what you didn't see before. It was never locked, it was never closed, it was always open, waiting. That's the door of Allah's mercy. And these last 10 nights, these are the nights when that light shines brightest. When the door is not just open, it's glowing, calling you to come in. So here's your gem for night 24. Tonight, before you sleep, raise your hands just for 1 minute and say these words from your heart. And then do something more. Take one sin that's been weighing on you, just one, and say to Allah, Ya Allah, this one, I give it to you. I'm done carrying it alone. Feel the weight lifted. That's what Laylatul Qadr can do. It can erase an entire lifetime in one night. This is Qalb Compass, navigating life through the Quran. May Allah accept it from me and you. Share this with someone whose heart needs to hear it tonight. And I'll see you tomorrow for night 25. Assalamu alaikum.